Hello everybody, we got my two packages from Discogs. Let's get started with this one. I'm gonna peel it back. Maybe I can get this tape off. I might cut through it if I can. Yeah, cut through it. Alrighty. Now we're in. You can see it. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. I ordered this from Sky Valley Records. I will give them a shout out here. I will follow you on Instagram. Here it is. This item I originally had on back a while ago, but I had the somebody sent me the European version for some reason, but now I actually have the correct version. That is Bullet in the Bible. I got this for dirt cheap, actually. So yeah, let's get into this. Here we are. Front, spine. Yeah, this is from Reprise Records, of course. So yeah, there's the track listing. Oh, why is it sticky? Okay. Yeah, so you got information. You got the CD. Oh, this is the. Why is it the wrong way around? Alrighty, here's the CD. And here is the DVD. I think I paid $2 for this. So there's Mike, there's Trey, and I believe that's Billy over there. I can't really tell. Okay, and then there's Mike over there as well. The three guys over there. So I'm gonna copy this CD. Or do I have it copied? I don't remember. I don't know where my old copy went. I had a Region 2, 3, and 4 copy. Here's the next package. It's handle fragile with care. I'm gonna open this because I know what this one is too, and I'm pretty happy to get this one. I like this band. I wanted it to go further. Sorry. I'm trying to open it, as you can see. Alrighty. I think we might be in. Oh, I just need to cut this side. They use some box. I don't know what this is. I'm really happy I got this item. I paid like $7 for it. They use the Heineken box. Here it is. Oh crap. They packaged this well. Alrighty. Well, let's see it. Yes, let's go. Here it is. I think I'll watch this tonight. Live Facelift. I'm gonna get this out of its packaging. I know that during the first pressing of this tape, it was packaged with the album itself. But I bought just the album at the time, so. But I wanted to have this tape because I like them, and I wanted to see. I like live videos, if you didn't know, on live albums, so I wanted to check this one out. So yeah, oh no, we don't want that. There's a parental advisory label on this for some reason. Alrighty. Here's the front, spine. Really good condition, by the way. Other spine. Other spine, top and back. Recorded at the Moore Theater, Seattle, Washington, December 22nd. A couple of days before Christmas, actually, 1990. Man in the Box, Real Thing, Love, Hate, Love, CSRO, Bleed the Freak, and the videos to We Die Young, Man in the Box, and CSRO. Shows the facelift cover. Runtime of 40 minutes. Yeah, sure. Oh, they put the tape in backwards. That's odd. Alrighty. So, there's no week in your code on this tape, right? No print date either? Yeah, no. Wait. Scratch that. I believe this is a later pressing of this tape. Because it says the 320th day of 1994. So, yeah, I can't wait to watch this. I do like Alice in Chains, so I will be watching this soon. So yeah, that's all for this video. I just had 2 simple packages. I'm gonna go out today, maybe do some day after Christmas Christmas shopping. Go look for, you know, stuff, Christmas sale stuff like toys and stuff. Might get another video up. I'll see you guys if so today. If not, later. Probably not this for the rest of this week. Unless I get a package this week. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.